Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to solve 9 power x plus 9 power x plus 9 power x equal 90 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So first from the left hand side if I'll take 9 power x as common, so 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal 90. So 9 power x times 3 equal 90. So if I'll divide both sides by 3, so it will cancel out and 9 power x equal 30. So I'm taking log on both sides. So log 9 power x equal log 30. So x log 9 equal log 30. So if I'll divide both sides by log 9, so x is log 30 by log 9 and log 30 is, I can write it as log 3 times 10 by log 9 as 3 square. Now I'm going to use log properties. Log a times b as log a plus log b and log a square b as b log a. So let's apply both the identities in numerator and denominator. So x becomes, x is equals to log 3 plus log 10 by 2 log 3. So x is equals to log 3 by 2 log 3 plus log 10 by 2 log 3. So it will cancel out. So x is equals to 1 by 2 plus log 10. I can write it as 2 times 5 by 2 log 3. Again, I'm going to use the same identity. 1 by 2 plus log 2 plus log 5 by 2 log 3. So x is equals to 1 by 2 plus log 2 by 2 log 3 plus log 5 by 2 log 3. So x is equals to, I can write 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 log 2 with base 3 plus 1 by 2 log 5 with base 3. So if I'll take this 1 by 2 as common, so 1 plus log 2 with base 3 plus log 5 with base 3. So this is the value of x. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.